guys, it's Mo here, and today I'm going to show you how to APK install Half-Life 1. So first, you have to go to Google.
It's okay, listening. I want to hear that before you post that, okay?
Okay,
No posting of whatever without mommy saying that, okay?
and you just go here.
I want to see Buddha. Okay.
Now you just press that, but I've already got it. So you just have to wait here, but I've already got it here. And now you have to open the /3D. Once you have your file, you just go to files, phone, download. Okay, don't just mind those, but phone download. Just extract this. Once you extract it, well, just extract it here. Now go back to your /3D. When you open it, it will show a screen. You just press skip. Now after that, just have to go to select game data selection. Go here, Half-Life, so set current folder. It's like that because you have to wait. So once you start the game, truly wait. So if you want to play it, you just have to press this. Now you can choose here. If you're new to the game, just press new game. But I'm already on the game, so I'm at the part where I'm at anomalous materials. You just press load game.
I wonder if I should.
But well, you could just go. Well, this video isn't done. Don't mind that wallpaper. It's just a picture of my sister's face. So now so if you want to install this, I'm sure it's in the Play Store. Yeah, now you search. Yeah, there it is. Here it is. Anyway, you have it now. Really have it now. See, look. /3D. What's this? So this is for blue shift. What's this? half screwed. So if you want, you could also go to Steam Unlocked, get BS Launcher. Once you get BS Launcher, you could just search hl1 B shift Steam Unlocked. Yeah, just go to blue shift, just go to steamunlock.net. It's also how you get Half-Life 1, basically. So that's okay, really not, I'm not done. So once you get blue shift, wait, actually Huawei extractor, I couldn't extract blue shift, so it's Die Freeman. Let's go to new game.
Good morning, and welcome to the Black Mesa Transit System. This automated train is provided for the comfort and convenience of Black Mesa residents and visitors to the Black Mesa Research Facility. The time is 8:42 a.m. Current topside temperature is 91 degrees, with an estimated high today of 105. The Black Mesa compound is maintained at 68 degrees at all times. This train is inbound from the Area 8 topside dormitories to the Central Transit Hub in Area 9. Please keep your
This game is gonna.
limbs inside the train at all times. Do not attempt to open the doors until the train has come to a complete halt at the station platform. In the event of an emergency, passengers
Awesome.
await further instruction. If it is necessary to exit the train, disabled passengers should be evacuated first. Please stay away from electrified rails and proceed to an emergency station until assistance arrives. If your intended destination is a high-security area beyond Sector C, you will need to board a high-security train at the Central Transit Hub. If you have not yet submitted your identity to the red...
What the heck? Actually, let's just continue that video. I don't mind why I do that, but so now you have to search this again if you want, and search. So let's go here. For the download button, just press. Okay, let's just wait. Okay, now you just press free download. Now Yeah, this is my mom's phone and they don't want it to get hacked. So that's why I'm censoring it. Let's just... Yeah. Anyway, the recorder is filtering it because I'm typing in my mom's password. Sorry for that black screen. Anyways, bye!